Meaning of geometric series.
Geometric series.
Geometric series.
Geometric series.
Geometric series. A geometric series is a mathematical sequence of numbers where each term is obtained by multiplying the previous term by a fixed constant. The fixed constant is called the common ratio. The sum of the terms in a geometric series can be calculated using a formula, which depends on the value of the common ratio and the number of terms. This formula is particularly useful for calculating the total amount of money earned on an investment with a fixed interest rate over a certain period of time. In summary, a geometric series is a sequence of numbers characterized by a fixed ratio between consecutive terms.